gotta recycle kids, because that's good for the world.
A recycle hero.
Hashtag Booster Race.
Hi, it's time for some more fun with Jay and Time.
I'm Jay.
I'm Time.
Today we're going to open our Booster Race box.
Yay!
Cool, they have a new design. It looks awesome. Old box, new box. Let's see what's inside this month's box. Premier Challenge. Micro Build Challenge. Minifigure Challenge. Blindfold Challenge. And of course,
The spotlight piece.
oh cool, they did 2 books. It looks like a...
Oh, cool. This month they came with 2 stickers.
Oh look, they also came with 2 recycled membership cards. Look, it's superhero themed. Let's go get some cakes. Dad, start the Booster Bricks recording.
To help make this story come to life, pause when you see a red brick and build the challenge that goes with it. Breaking news! This morning, the citizens of Brick City have awoken to a terrible scene.
Menacing litter bugs. Citizens are calling on the global hero, Recyclone.
I'm gonna do the minifig challenge. This is recycling's sidekick Pip.
I'm going to build a Premier Challenge, which is a garbage truck.
Hey, look! I built this out of the Premier Challenge.
How about we attach them?
Puts on his suit, then bravely follows some of the bugs into a sewer. Put on a blindfold and set a timer for 5 minutes. Using the pieces in your blindfold build challenge pack, build a pair of goggles to help Pip see in the foggy sewers.
He bought these, but they're way too big for him. Puts them on like this. Then he goes,
Ooh, bye-bye, fog. I'm gonna build litter bugs.
yay!
These are my litter bugs. Litter everywhere in the town. The spotlight piece. A trash blasting gun. This is a trash blasting gun.
To get your own Booster Bricks, go to boosterbricks.com. I lost my Booster Bricks! I'm Recyclone. You gotta recycle kids, because that's good for the world. Okay? Okay. Because I'm Recyclone and I know it's good for the world. So, recycle kids. Yeah. And, go into the Recycle fan club. And, did I tell you to go into the Recycle fan club? Oh, I did. Well, be sure you do it. I will do everything.
I will do everything
In my power.
in my power
To keep the earth
to keep the earth
safe from
safe from
litter.
littering.